Hi everybody, Paul and I have been right over the car. We measured everything, and with nobody to scrutinise or check our numbers, there were 568 plug welds. So things like the seat riser and the wheel housings. And then there were another 67 different patches. So all this sort of stuff, the roof and the wheel arches and so on. The longest weld was the roof, and that was 1.5 meters, and you can see Paul doing this now somewhere up there, and that weld was a continuous non-stop weld, 1.5 meters, taking about 15 minutes. Loads of guesses on the total weld length, ranging from about 7 meters right up to 750 meters, and of course there was class clown Steve Mitchell, who said there was 2 kilometers. 44 meters, 0.6. So, and I can hear you Australians mocking my pronunciation of the number 6 already. Alright, so closest guess was 43 meters, and that was by Stu McMillan. So well done Stu, good guess. We'll send Stu out a Bodymods t-shirt. Okay, it's possible I may not have complied with some of the rules and regulations of the New Zealand gaming laws. We're just going to put that to the side for now. I mean, it wasn't exactly legal when I drove this car down the road at the start either. So, are you guys keen to see what else is in here at Bodymods? And I'm talking about 32 Coupe, Monaro, Chevy pickup truck, another Statesman, Monaro, Plymouth Dart. If you're interested in seeing some of these other cars in here, chuck a comment. If there's enough interest, I'll talk to Paul and maybe we can have a walk around and he'll show us some of the other fabrication and cars that are in here, and it's some pretty impressive stuff. Okay, cheers for watching as always. See you in the next one.